Cool. I'm waiting for one of you to yell at me. No one yelling yet? Oh, cool. Okay, then we're winning. Mark, what's up? How's it going? Okay. We're ready. It's Friday, people. It's Friday. It's Friday. Are we ready for Friday? Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? Bradley Price, hey! How goes it? Or in your words, yo. How's everyone doing today? Are we all ready, steady for this? Ethan? Oh, Rex! Okay, wait, guys, I specifically got this for you guys. Are you ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
There we go. Specifically to say good morning to all of you. How's it going? Mystery Motion, what's up? Franks, how goes it? Franks, have you been trading or what's happening? Not really. Hey, Jose. What's up? And David. Hey, yo. How's everyone doing? Let me. Give me a second. Okay. Let me get rid of all this so that it's not too chaotic. Sorry, I gotta keep my phone with me today because my horse is sick. There we go. Keep moving that damn bob level. Here's the 3 a.m. open. Let's mark this out. Is everybody ready for this day? The answer better be heck yeah. Ready and excited. Okay, going further up. Been consistently continuing to up.
That's what she said.
James, what's up? How's it going? Good morning to everyone. Okay, I need to mark out levels. Let's mark out these levels, quick sticks. Okay, so here's New York low yesterday. Cool. Nope, that's not it. Right there. So close to London low. So who traded yesterday? PM session. AM session was disgusting, but the PM session looked like it was actually quite good. So who traded the PM session? How was it? Do you guys have fun? I haven't had a sip of coffee yet, so bear with me. Let me just, like I said, sorry, apologies. I'm quickly marking out everything. Oh. Huh. We actually have a bit of a new daily opening gap today. Interesting. Cool. Asia low. I'm gonna just flip that across. And I mean, Asia high has already been taken, so that's cool. Looking here. 3 a.m. open. I don't want to jump into anything. Also don't want to make the same damn mistake I made yesterday. It's directly in the middle of this bob level. It tends to range slightly here, so let's give it a minute to wakey. Where am I in Dragon Ball Z? I'll answer now, David. Give me a second. Only True Trader, good morning. How's it going? How was New York session, Jose? The morning was... I'm trying to find a nice way of saying garbage. It was just not okay. Yeah, New York session was not okay. And Silver Bullet Trader, how's my trading week going? It's a break-even trading week so far for me. Yeah, Monday and Tuesday were terrible. Wednesday was amazing. And yesterday, like I said, I missed such a good trade during the London session. And then New York session was completely ranging. And then I made the mistake of trying to jump in when I thought that it had stopped ranging. And I was wrong. Things happen. You called short. I was biased on because of TSM. Oh, thanks, Franks. Yeah. I did call short yesterday. I mean, it only happened during the PM session. Would have been nice if it decided to do it during the morning. But it's fine. No, but that's exactly it, right? Both ways could have worked. I think that's probably why it was a little bit all over the place. Mystery Motion. I trade ICT concepts. I do. I use some ICT concepts. Friend to you? What's up? Yeah, basically. Serbil. Hi. Is this trade I marked A+? No. That's why I'm not taking it. I mean, ooh. I mean, this actually could potentially be A+. Like I said, the only thing that's making me a little bit on the skeptical side of life is it's in the middle of Bob level, which tends to sometimes be a little bit more rangy. But it's actually not bad. Hey OTT, what's up, by the way? Menti, my win rate is around 60%. Daz, what's up? I expected more uptrend, but we wait. Look at the higher up. Valid. Valid. Look at the higher time frame. Thanks, OTT. Valid. Big cap firms. Now I'm learning how to play it on NQ. Oh, interesting, Franks. Okay, and does it work well for you? Also, anyone that's hopping in now?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning. It's pretty good. Actually, no, it's a 1 to 2R. Menti, Mantis. Yeah, so it's a 1 to 2R. So I've only been trading. You're guessing 1 to. So wait, I have questions. Why did you guess 1 to 3R? Mantis? Yeah? Is it okay if I just call you Mantis? Okay. Let's look at higher time frames. Before I even go looking, I'm gonna close this so that I don't have to be like flash warning or what is it, OTT, that I had to do? Ayo, fucks! How goes it? Five minute. Yeah, ewy. Okay, it's not great on the 5 minute, is it? Maybe want to see it come back and mitigate a little bit more down here. Okay. When in doubt, zoom out. Right. Awesome. Ooh, this is a good level. 862. Let's check the 15 minute quickly. One hour. Tapped into this order block. Okay. Yep. Okay. What do we think? Is this going to continue to the buy side, or are we going to start pushing down now? Sure. Sorry. There we go. Let me put everything back on. Fox NQ, what's up? Mijing, hi. Yeah, Mantis, that would be amazing, but no, it's a 1 to 2 R strat. But I do tend to leave one runner, obviously depending on the day and the price action. So I mean, sometimes it goes pretty decently. Fox consolidated, yep. Good grief. Okay. Are we all ready then for this to get this day started? Yes. Like I said, this is not quite an A+ setup, especially if we look at the higher time frames. This is not great. On the 1 minute it looks good, but on the higher time frames, not so much. Okay, ideas for the London well, let's not say ideas. Thoughts for the London session. Do y'all think this is going to be bull or bear? What do you guys think? We're going to have a bullish or a bearish London session? Damn, okay. Oh, there's fights going on here. This is going to be interesting. Bear appears to be winning. Huh. Who would have thought that one? Mgu, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Good grief, David. Good grief. Just...
Why are you doing this?
There we go.
Why are you even thinking this way?
Just for you, David. Oh, great. Okay, so now it's a 50-50. It's literally a 50-50 split. Absolutely fantastic. Cool. So that would have been a loss so early in the morning. Awesome. This is wild. Didn't trade. Did you check out New York session yesterday? Wow. Just wow. Especially, I'm speaking specifically the AM session. The PM session looked quite good, right? But specifically the AM session. Just, oh my gosh. However, okay, this being said, it is Friday. It is Friday. I know some people don't like trading Fridays, so out of curiosity, who enjoys trading Fridays? Who absolutely hates trading Fridays? Okay, last Friday I'm pretending didn't happen, but in general, I haven't had like the worst luck with Fridays, but I know some people are a bit like, meh, Friday's just not the day. So yeah, I'm kind of curious about what you guys think. Oh, bull is winning. Huh. Okay. Bullish market appears to be winning. Hey Christian, what's up? I was keen on some longs, I'm not gonna lie. But it is in a little bit of a zone here where it could bounce around a bit. I hate every single day. Damn OTT, that was dark as hell. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. I like how someone's dad made a creepy comment. Huh? Yeah, host. I mean, I'm bullish for ES and NQ. Doing some other things, yep. Yeah, this entire week. Good. Yeah. Wednesday was nice. Wednesday was the only nice day so far. Let's see. That's why I'm being low-key a little bit, I don't want to say hesitant because that's the wrong word. I'm waiting for better confirmations. And I need to listen to myself more. If I'd done that yesterday, I wouldn't have... Oopsies, this is about my horse. If I'd done that yesterday, I wouldn't have had a loss. But things happen. There we go. She's so good for you too. That's valid. David Prop is always there. David Prop there for the wins. I mean, you guys are gonna get annoyed at this, but I think it's adorable as heck. So anyone that's joining,
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
of course it has to be a donkey. I'm sorry, it's so cute. Maya, since you've been trading, how was Friday trading sessions on Monday? Jose, you get... No ways. I'm gonna have to go check that out. But yeah, like I said, in general, I've enjoyed trading Friday sessions. Like I said, I'm pretending last week Friday just didn't happen. But, you know, it is what it is. Oh, it looks like the 5-minute range potentially. Look at that. Was it the 5-minute? It was the 5-minute, wasn't it? Yep. Huh. Five-minute range was potentially the range to be going with. Reminder, people, check your higher time frames. Again, let's wait for some confirmation before I start talking rubbish. Look at 4-hour time frame market and a wedge ever since November the 1st. Okay, I'm good. Then I guess this is the...
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I guess this is the more pressing question. When do you think it's going to get out of the wedge? Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm phrasing that correctly. OTT? Which one? The good morning one? Trade Delicious, what's up? Did you see? I watched your video. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. It looks like so much fun. OTT, which one? The good morning one? Samuel, it was a donkey. This week or latest Wednesday? So you think now it's gonna get out of the wedge? Okay, maybe this is the more important question. Which direction do you think it's gonna get out of the wedge? Exclamation mark, morning. Yeah, there we go. OTT? Oh, okay, Mgu. So I guess that's the wait and see situation, hey. So you also said, let's check out the 4-hour again. I'm gonna go check out, since you said the 1st of November. Let's check it out. So 4-hour, wee.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Come on, the donkey's cute. 1st November, 1st November. Where is the 1st of November? Around here.
Hi!
Okay, great.
Good morning!
Oh shoot, I see. That's a
Why
good
are you
one.
doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I saw that David. No, Jose. But anyways. OTT, tell him. Where is Geordie? Good question. I think he was... I know he was on holiday. I think he's on holiday. I must actually... Let me pop him a message. I mean, could we Oh. Okay, everyone close your eyes because this is about to get chaotic. Flash warning. OTT, flash warning. Everyone close your eyes. Sugar honey iced tea. I can't see anything. I'm assuming it's around there. Wow, that was awful. I'm sorry. This is very interesting. It is. What did Semperfuck say yesterday? Or the day before, twisting. I said it's like it's coiling, but it's getting smaller and smaller, so it is about to break. And someone thought yesterday that 2026 is going to be a bearish year. I don't quite know if you guys agreed with that or not. I forgot who said it was going to be a bearish year. Oh, Lance, no, what happened? Okay, to be fair, Lance, yesterday's price action was just garbage. Absolute garbage. No other word for it, so it's fine. Every day is a holiday. Demonte, stuff, you're living your best life. Hey, Lloyd, what's up? OTT, I'm sorry, I gave you a warning. Wildfire, heyo. I did give you guys warnings. I gave a head up. I said flash warning. You know, things happen. I'm sorry. Damn, okay, it looks like bulls are the winners today. Interesting. Let's see if this continues.
That's what she said.
Nice. Maya's more single than an octopus. What does that mean? I've never heard that saying before. Demonte, what does that mean? I need a hack into Maya's project text to delete everything. To be fair, it's a lot of Christmas trees and I've been cleaning it up, okay? Okay? You can't deny that. I have indeed been cleaning it up. It now just mostly has bob levels. Okay, that being said, I guess I could delete this. But it mostly just has bob levels now. And lines. And that was the NWOG. That still hasn't been fully tapped into, so it continues. And this is the end dog. New daily opening gap that has formed today. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, so both of these would have been losses, so it looks like for now we are headed to the bearish side of life. For the bear. Sorry, I'll stop. It means you're single, like a single. Wow. Yeah, many people blew up. Even rose my daily loss limit to dig the hole a little bit deeper. No! Lance, I wonder if they did that on purpose. So I only took one trade. It was a loss. And it was my mistake. I should have waited for more confirmation. It was when it did that little bit of a breakout and I thought, aha, finally. Went down. I was thinking now we have A+, it's gonna come and start headed to the center of the earth, and I was wrong. It still wanted to consolidate. And it just, wow. Just wow. So yesterday was nasty. Yesterday was actually just not okay. And I'm hoping that now this gets a bit of a grip and it starts working out. Wait a second. One confirmation. pretty sure my password is... Wow. Jamal, what's up? Sorry, I see I'm like having a big fat chat with myself. Apologies. Is it, oh, you've been meaning to ask about the secret sauce about the Bob levels. Oh, Jose. So I got permission from Bob to tell you guys the secret sauce when I hit 10k. So keep, I don't know, spamming that like button, I guess. Keep spamming that like button. Let's get that 10k, and then I have permission from the man himself to give the secret sauce. I mean, you can see how it... Even during the New York session, I was low-key frustrated because I was like, if you just traded Bob level to Bob level, you would have had... What, here was New York open? No? Yes. Where was open? Here was open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Bob level to Bob level. Then again, Bob level to Bob level. It's a bit ridiculous, actually, but it's fine. Like I said, I want to slowly start figuring out, seeing if I can actually make a good little trading strategy. I almost use it a little bit as a confluence right now as well. The price was really moving, just whipsaw action was brutal. Yep, I was getting chopped into tools early on. I'm glad my laptop survived. Not gonna lie, a long maybe loading for me. That's assuming. Oh, no, 100%. But I mean, that's why I need to back test it a little bit and get confirmation. Always have like your stop a little bit higher above the exact level, but in general, if you go back, I mean, here you can see it went up, literally bounced off of bounced off of the Bob level before continuation back up to the next Bob level. You know, is it 100%? No. But is anything 100% when it comes to trading? No. But if you see how it just reacts to these levels, and the thing is, which is quite wild, these never, ever, well, essentially you don't ever have to delete them. They are always valid. They are always valid. Again, wild. But yeah. So they can just continue forever and ever and ever. The exact level isn't known until it happens. Gold, what do you mean? No, those Bob levels stay forever. Those Bob levels never, I mean, you can see I have them all marked out. Let me zoom out. All of these are Bob levels. They are never mitigated. You never delete them. I'm gonna say something that everyone's gonna question a little bit, but you can put them up above the higher time frame as well. Or the all-time highs, not the higher time frame, sorry. Put it up above the all-time highs as well. Yeah. Like I said, it won't be for everyone, but I've noticed that it tends to work quite well. Vishal? Did you just speak Afrikaans? Goeiemorgen. Bandit. Hey, David. Right, Vishal, what's up? I can't believe... I think by the looks of it, NQ could drop a bit by the dip. Ooh, Shaheen, what's up, by the way? How goes it? He evolved. Vishal, that is amazing. That is amazing. I could hurt your brain and be like, Do you know what pantoffels are in Afrikaans? Just because it's amazing. Pantoffels are adorable. Well, the word is adorable. I don't know if you guys know what pantoffels are, but yeah. Franks, do you know what pantoffels are? Good grief. Oh, amazing, Franks. David, everyone's evolving. I'm not criticizing, just trying to understand. I'm newish to trading, getting the book. Oh shit, no. Joe Gold, don't stress. It took me a while to be like, if you say so, but the amount of times, again, like I said, nothing's ever 100% when it comes to trading. Nothing's ever 100%, but anything that gives you a better edge, right? Also, Joe, how long have you been trading for? What got you into trading? Sorry, I always love asking those questions. I'm wearing them. Hey, Frank's amazing. I'm not. I don't really have any pantoffels, which makes me sad. I used to have the cutest pantoffels. Everyone evolving. There's something that is 100%. Ask what? What? I'm scared, but what? What is 100%? Well, that's unfortunate. Reporting. Wow! Absolutely not. We are not. Well, that being said, you know what? Maybe one day for funsies, I will just say screw it, and we full port. Are you just Google translating everything, David? Or do you actually know Afrikaans? If you actually know Afrikaans, that's quite funny. But are you literally just Google translating everything? Also, disclaimer, I'm actually not Afrikaans. It's not Afrikaans because honestly I had to learn it in school. Damn, this is a huge wick. Okay. Correct idea. Wrong entry point. Let's see when it takes out this low. Shoot, man. Actually would have been quite a nice one. Was an A+, but opening candle here. I didn't have high hopes for it actually touching my entry. Sumesh, you want gold? I'm not trading actively. I've made a bit of money over the years holding shares. Lost a bit of money. Lost a bit of muthy. That's not a thing. Messing with CFDs, but never really gone into trading properly, as I've always been aware of BS gurus. No, that's valid. Joe, that's valid. Okay, let's ask this question, Joe. Sorry, you can tell me if I'm just being like overly intrusive. I'm just genuinely curious about these things. What type of trading would you want to get into? Would you want to do day trading? Would you want to do swing trading? Would you want to do investing? If you want me to elaborate on the difference, just let me know and I'll tell you. But yeah. Translate, it was a potential good entry there, but being the keyword. Now at a support zone, relative equal lows there. That wick is terrifying. 1, 2, 3, but I have my 3 confluences. but I have my 3 confluences. Five. There's freaking 5. Okay. I have my 3 confluences, so I'm setting it. Only bad thing with this one is it did just take out some sell side liquidity and a little bit of a support zone as well. But there are relative equal lows here, and further on there's still an imbalance forming there. Cool. Let's see. If it comes back to tag me, and this could be good. Let's see though. ODT. Good trading for beginners. I want it till you find something you could recommend, but it's hard since you're beginner. Type of trading you want to be. I'm in it on the break. Oh, well done. Oh, shoot. Okay, I still like it. Let's see. I still like this trade. Trend swing. Ooh, interesting, Sumesh. Okay. So, Jose, you're into investing. Sorry, I apologize if I haven't responded to anyone. Oh, shoot. Well, it took out part of what I wanted. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh, translate, that's great. That's not what you want to hear. Michelle. Oh, Mike the goat. Mike. I'm sorry, I told you I would get one specifically for you. So that was specifically for Mike. I told him I would do it, and I did it. Anyways, Mike, what the... yes, Jose. ICT or like research trading for beginners. Oh, Mohammed, you're so sweet. I appreciate it. No! Seriously? Seriously? That was good timing. That was really proper timing. Well done, David. Oh my gosh. Also have to keep an eye out for the time. 29 around 4. Let's see what happens. We still have time before 4. Mike the Goat, I love it. Seriously? Seriously? Missed me by a freaking... Okay, I want to say by a tick, but not quite. That's like 3 ticks, but still. Or 4, whatever. Wow, future so bright, gotta wear shades. Joe Gold, sorry, what did I miss? I feel like I missed your message. What's up? Oh, there we go. You don't know the difference between certain types. If you're still here, put a little high and then I'll answer your question. If you're still here, it looks like you maybe left. Gotta go back in there. Tapped into VWAP and now also took out... Oh, it hasn't quite taken this out. OTT, is your entry for long here? I can't believe that missed me. That was so mean. Nope, and it's still going. Sugar honey iced tea. And it was such a nice freaking A+ setup for me. Well, those wicks are terrifying. Can I just note where this is? If it takes this out, I'm probably gonna be out. Yep, that's valid. That's very, very valid of how I'm feeling right now. Oh no. No. Oh no, okay, he left. Cool. You're from... Hey, Sports Zone, what's up? Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay. Well, now I'm in it. Like I said, that terrified me though. Lost a little bit of hope in this one. Well, let's not say hope. A little bit of confidence in this one, but let's continue. I don't want to be greedy. Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. We have created an inverse fair value gap. Awesome. Holding for dear life. Yeah, stop at 790. Damn. Just bought gold for a quick scalp. Brightest future. I wear my Pradas at night. Sebastian, I mean, yesterday was just terrible. So, like, I mean, the price action was shocking. So, not great. That's not good. That's really not good. Shoot. This is not going to be a good trade. Damn it. Jose, whoop whoop. Well done. Whoop for getting tagged in. Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. Whoop for getting tagged in. Doesn't help if it's not a good trade, but I appreciate it, I guess. One way of looking at it. Highlight. Shoot. Okay. Highlight, this is just for you. I got this specifically for you.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Translate, you're in the green now. Okay, well... Shoot. I don't like how it's messing around there, but... 1, 2, 3... Sugar, honey, iced tea. Oh, it's very much in that supply zone. Awesome. Perfect. Exactly. I got it specifically for you. High life, just exclamation mark morning. Michelle, what are the plans for the weekend? Nothing. Probably a bit of backtesting. Might play. I might actually.
Hi! Good morning!
I might actually play some games. For once, haven't played any games in a long time, so I might actually play some PC games for a change. Yeah. We will see. One horse is good, other horse is sick. So that's amazing. That's great. Come on, no. Shoot, that's not what I wanted to see. What time is it? What time is it? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing up. Even though I must say I sometimes hate putting this up, I feel like it doesn't help me. I know it doesn't do anything, but still. Okay. Highlight, of course. You're welcome. Wow. At 450, you should see some movement. Well, it doesn't help that it looks like the buyers are taking control, does it? Yay for me. Yay. Just yay. There we go. Great. Just have to remind myself, it was an A+ setup, and I took it. It was an A+ setup, and I took it. Whereas yesterday there was an A+ setup, and I didn't take it. I say it looks like Maya has a hot day with my PC. Whoa. What time frame? X live trader. Oh, shit. What did I say? And as I saw those stupid wicks, I knew it. I maybe should have called it then. Damn it. So that didn't work. $7,000 possible rejection. Wow, it didn't even respect this imbalance at all. Just went right through everything. So much for that. Anyways, moving on. 825 is your TP. Ooh, right up there. Cool, that's not bad. I'm curious about this full range. It really did go into this supply zone. Okay. This is for me. Anyways, Sebastian, you're on ES. Hey, Rip, what's up? How's it going?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I'm sorry, what? Liv? One's for you.
Hi.
No, wrong one. I'm so sorry.
Hi. Good morning.
This one's for you.
Why are you doing this?
Huh?
Why are you even thinking this way?
Goodness. Oh! Brother Bean? That feels unnecessary. Whatever. Sad. 927 is our ceiling and 618 is our floor. Interesting. And it's just kind of going between the two, Tyson? Hey, Lek, what's up? Oh, I had a little losing trade. I had a losing trade here. I feel like I need to just call this week and be like, it's fine. We're good. Okay. Let's see. I saw I just responded right back. Rip, I got you. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Unscripted. You like me on? Too. At least you follow your rules. Yep. I do. I do, even though they hurt me sometimes. It's fine. Trading off for nerds. I'm a proud member of the Nerds Club. I'm just saying. super proud member of the Nerds Club. Mention anything nerdy, I probably do it. Just saying. Mohammed, what's the platform? Yes, sorry, it's Project X. What's that, by the way? How are you doing? Wow, there we go. Wait, let me now see this. Should have seen those wicks and gotten the heck out of it, actually. But it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm being so quiet. Anyways, sorry, everyone asked about my weekend. What's everyone doing this weekend? What is everyone else's plan for this weekend coming up? Anything cool? Anything exciting? Anything good to go? Nope. Okay, let's just make sure it's not just taking out internal, external, internal, external. Let's wait and see where this is headed. Okay. Translate, you're still holding? Whoop whoop then, well done. Mention something. Nice, Vishal. I mean, David. Being a nerd is amazing. Vishal, honestly, being a nerd is the best. My question, if you don't follow your 3 components rules, what would your win rate be? So if I just took, like, every range, is that what you're saying, Jose? Basically? You're a hot nerd, though, so that's positive. I keep thinking Nando with the headband. Lance, yeah. I don't know, what would scream nerd? No, I know what, no, that wouldn't even scream nerd. I was gonna say the earphones with like the cat ears, but that's not nerd. That's like ooh girl. Damn, translate. Whoop whoop. That is like, this is an awesome trade. Well done. Just play at home and play some badminton. You play badminton? It's raining here, feeling sick. No, Lek, I'm so sorry. Gym and research stocks. Nice. I don't have that, David. I'm out from NQ. Yeah. Oh, translate, you should have left a runner. When we're gonna have our D&D day. Ooh, boom. Do you have a, like, a 1 day... Oh my gosh, what's it called? Panel? That's not it. Oh my gosh. Because you're gonna DM, right? Okay, finally ES long banger. Hey, there's a bubble. Hey Luke, what's up? On the 30 minutes, wouldn't you consider Pyeong closure of this published in the second break? Also, hi Boom. How you doing? Are you good? Sugar honey iced tea, I forgot to look at ES. How's it been, Boom? Oh my gosh! I just got, oh my gosh. Sorry. I just got a photo from my friend. She had her baby. Remember I went to the baby shower? I just got it now. Oh my word. Okay, sorry, that was very random. I'll message her back now, but that's so exciting. Don't think she knows what's coming for her. She has to be a mom now, but anyways. I'm not my full TP on the right. If this takes my TP1, I'm not my full. Oh, OTT, no, that'll be bad. Was last a while though. I was in 3K draw. What? What happened, Boom? Yeah, tell him. What? Do I trade crypto? Sorry, I don't, Xlev. Right? I'm big wishing her all the blessings. Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah, I will tell her that everyone here was like, yeah, congrats. She'll probably be like, why are you telling people? Still. Lance, no kids? No. Well, yes, my fur baby. His name is Harry. He is awesome. Well, and Finn. He's just a really big baby, but still. So, no kids. Families in Uruguay. I mean, my grand's down the side, but yeah. Oh, thanks, guys. Takes out the daily EQ and just slows down. Is this now doing full range? Okay. I take it back. It looks like I have a very long weekend of just testing, more testing. These are dailies. No, don't be sorry anymore. Maybe we're celebrating. It's blessing them. Oh, thanks, Mac. I appreciate it. Came back, wasn't all done. Oh my gosh, Boom, that's terrifying. David, I can't say that to new parents. That is so rough. Trendline. Yeah, my Yorkie has a health issue. It's cost me. Oh, Lance, I'm so sorry. That's terrible. That is, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Glad I didn't hold yet. Good for you. Way to stay focused. Thanks. Can you tell me which app platform you use? I would like to. On Gold. Michelle, so I'm using top 1 futures currently. So I mean, you could trade futures gold with top 1 futures. And yeah, it's currently Project X, but they don't allow Project X anymore. I think Project X is not a thing anymore, but until I either blow or pass this, looks like we're leaning towards below this, but whatever. Then yeah, we continue. No ways, OTT, are you serious? I sleep through the weekends. My market's a drag because I'm still in learning phase. Yep. Completely obsessed. Do you dream about the markets? I tend to dream about the markets. It's really frustrating. Hey, Rolf. Yeah, this week is just so much fun. I'm having so much fun. I just want to say this whole week haven't had a full TP. Well, OTT, you're still in the green though, right? True. Oh, you're still in? Wait, there we go, OTT. There we go. Look on the bright side. Nasdaq about to rip. Lev, you think so? I do use top one and top step. I thought like back test though. Oh! Oh, Vishal, is that what you... Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad. Oh, you use top one. Vishal, do you use my code? No, I'm joking, don't stress. But anyways, moving on. No pun intended. Just well. Wish before bed said under any dream. Well, I don't remember them, I guess. Oh, interesting, Lance. So, do you do that to help you sleep? Sorry, no, that's a bit of a random question, but do you? Okay. Good grief, David. But we continue. Oh, wait. What time is it? It's 4. Okay, let's mark this out now. Nope, you pressed the wrong damn thing. So, sorry, got hiccups again. Statistically wise, shouldn't this want to go and take out the lows? Rip. Okay. Hey, YouTube agent, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm so sorry. I've been really bad with responding to people today. I'm really locking in. It takes time to get used to strangers. Boom Banana, what do I do on the weekends? Not that much. Clean. Go to the beach. Depends on the day, but you know, binge watch some things, yeah. That's an A+ on the buy. This one, yes, this one would have been an A+ on the buy. Damn it, really respected that imbalance. Okay, now it broke through it. Huh? It's trying to break through it. It's not succeeding. Damn. Okay then. Okay then. Is it Ochi? I get it. I get it. Lance? Yes, I guess so. It's a habit of ours, I guess, too. I'm still at hard, even though I'm almost 40. Lance, that's amazing. I get it, though. I really, really get it. I'm sorry, I've missed a bunch. I mean, market is kind of a good sign. To attain the kind of success you want me to be obsessed, and no one will understand it. It's just the cost of success. Yeah, Mac, that's valid. Fake fan. Might take a buy. I have a dabble in metals at all lately. Silver is ridiculous. Lance, I've heard silver's been going crazy. I've heard mostly about silver, not so much about gold. What's gold doing? Who's trading gold? How does gold look? Holy moly. Cool. Rolf, yesterday's day candle to me shows bullish today. I expect New York to break yesterday's high. Oh, interesting. Okay. Called long on 3-minute candle. Well done, Franks. I must false my TP on. Hey, OTT, well done. Gold is toxic, why? Me mainly gold. Okay, Michelle, how's it? Guys worked out 3 hours back. Oh, okay. So gold. Oh, right, you said. I forgot you were trading gold though. Hey, okay, so gold right now is also in the longs. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Isn't this going against probability right now? I mean, this is, yeah, this is fun to see, but whatever. Would have been risky with regards to that opening there. Don't like entry for this. Oh man, if that other one had just tagged me in, it would have been such a good trade. But it did not. OTT, did it get it? I feel it would be a good pair for you along with MQ. So Vishal, I have checked out gold. I actually have checked it out. It felt foreign. Does that make sense? It felt weird. I'm so used to NQ that I felt, I don't want to say lost because that sounds bad, but I felt a little bit lost. I don't know if those are the right words to be using though. I don't know. When you so used to one asset and then you kind of look at another one, does it make sense what I'm trying to say? I feel like I'm butchering it right now. I hope that low-key makes sense. Alright, guys, just while I'm contemplating my life over here, don't forget to press that like button. Let's try and grow this amazing community. 10k and hopefully some amazing things start to happen. Freak. Sorry, just watching this right now. Yes, better not edge at 0.4. Oh, OTT, no ways. But catching them consistently, that's a whole different game. It's a whole beast to deal with. Alright, got it. Yeah, it makes sense. Absolutely. I feel that way with other farms. Yeah, exactly, Michelle. It feels weird. So silver's making a move up. Manpreet, what's up? So do you trade silver? Which one's... How do I put this? Which one is scarier? Maybe that's not the right word. Which one's more volatile, maybe? Gold or silver? I know they kind of go hand in hand, but I would like to hear people's opinions that have maybe traded both. Like between ES and NQ, I would say that NQ is a little bit more scary. I don't like to use the word scary, but doesn't always respect levels, you know. ES tends to actually be quite respectful. NQ is much more challenging to trade consistently, in my opinion. Yep, but sometimes it's very generous. Gold has a lot of volume and price action outside of the obsession. Silver is an account killer, though. Ooh, Lance, why do you say that? Why do you say it's an account killer? Oh, it allows way more leverage. That makes sense. Okay, Vishal, why do you want to trade NQ more often? Out of curiosity. Just for fun?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I've never day traded before, but I do invest a lot. I guess I'm a long-term... Oh, nice! YouTube agent. What, do you want to day trade or not really? You're happy with your long-term investing? And this one would have missed me as well. That's fun. Wait, are you actually a YouTube agent? I don't think so. Are you? YouTube agent? It's been amazing. Ooh, okay, Manpreet. And what's your... Sorry, this might be a little bit like intrusive. What's your win rate at? How's it been going? I trade a 30 and it works on NQ as well. Okay, so watching this now. Have we lost some... Hello? There we go. Oh, phew. Have we lost some momentum? OTT, are you out yet? This week I'm on a 90% hot streak. Oh! Great, well done, that's amazing! So I guess I should try to learn. I just don't know how to day trade. Ah, YouTube agent, yeah, I want to say it's easy, but that's a lie. Definitely not easy. He's holding to the end of term, yep. He really is. Boom, did you get in on this? Vincent ICT, I am on eval. What's up? How's it going, Vinny? Vincent? Sorry, I won't do that. I was gonna call you Vinny and I was like, no, some people might not like you just randomly giving them a nickname. Anyways, moving on. I made the mistake of trading gold like a currency pair. It didn't work out. Gold might look like a forex pair, but it sure doesn't move like one. Ooh, interesting, Mac. Ooh, okay, whoop whoop, boom, and winning. Happy, sad, super happy. Which one we at? Anyone that got a win, you'll get a very respectful whoop-de-whoop. Well done to everyone that got a win in. If you guys want control of the memes, and there's a lot. I may have too many memes, but if anyone wants control of the memes, you guys actually can get access to the memes if you join the membership. Like that one. Yes, like the screaming. Because that's low-key how I feel sometimes. But anyways, I'm gonna keep calling it the membership because it's hilarious and I got permission to steal it from someone. So, you know. Because then you guys can have access to all of this and scare the ever-living daylights out of me.
Why are you even thinking this way?
Because in the middle of a trade, sometimes that damn scream happens and it freaks me out.
Nice.
Hey, boom, whoop, whoop. That's well done, damn. You're selling? For me, I feel NQ is more of a beast than gold, as each pip has more value compared to gold, so I can't take the same side. Well, Vishal, that's why I'm on the MNQ, so the micros. So you get micros as well, which helps a lot. Maya with the dad jokes.
That's what she said.
Manpreet? No, what do you mean? Okay. Was that it? Was this the move? Seriously? Why does Asia look like it's been actually lots of fun to trade? Who's been trading the Asia market? Asia session looks amazing recently. The past 2 days looks like it's been so much fun. London, however. Well, no, I say that. London yesterday would have been a banger if I took that trade. That's why I didn't want to make the same mistake today and not take it, and then essentially this happens. Really? Who's that? I don't even know who that is, Preet. Who's that? You might be right on the buys, I might be wrong on the sell. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna close soon. Yeah, on gold I feel only scalping works for me. Swing trades on gold, I'm not sure, but it works well on 15 to 30 minute time frame. Oh, interesting, Michelle. Okay. MQ might be more your thing. There we go. Wednesday Asia session was great, not the norm though at all. Yeah, Lance, but even like looking at today, and like I said, yesterday's price action, it's just going. It's wild. Normally, you know, Asia just consolidates, and then London, maybe there's a little bit of movement, and then New York is the place to be. But recently, it has not been that case. I got my partials. If it hits break even, then so be it. No, OTT, stick with your plan, right? Stick with your plan. Super niche rock band with huge fan base. Hoo-ya, whoop whoop. Really? I now need to go and check this out. Hey Vincent, how do you avoid overtrading? I overtraded yesterday. For me, damn, boom, okay. I would just say have a set of rules. When in doubt, have your set of rules and stick to your rules. So let's say maybe you have a max loss limit, and if you lose that amount, then you're done for the day. Or yeah, basically. Or you have a win limit. If you have like 3 wins, you're done. Or 1 win, then you're done, you know? I think the best would just have your rules and stick with it. Hey Tom, what's up? I feel like I missed something that Vincent said. What did Vincent say? Vincent. Oh, the overtrading? Was that the question? No? Yes? What's up? It was 0.4 points away from my TP. Let's just talk about that. Oh, OTT, did it get you out? No ways. Momentum is back now. Had a big range days like today. In between. Great. Hey Tom, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. All that being said, I'm sitting here wanting to cry, trading the Nasdaq future. I'm joking, I won't cry on live. Or will I? Maybe today is the day. Oh no, OTT, I'm so sorry. Yeah, Boom took the short. Only at 500 instead of 1k. Wow, damn OTT, what a rough life. Whoop whoop boom, that's amazing, well done. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Okay then. Am I being sarcastic about what? No. Yes, I'm being sarcastic. 500's still amazing. What's the problem? I don't understand the problem. Like, even though you're having break evens, you're taking partials and you're still very much in the green for the week, right? Right? For me, learning how to trade gold has been hell, more like learning behaves and how it moves. Okay, Mac, out of curiosity, right? If gold is so tricky, why don't you try like NQ or ES? Just out of curiosity. I'm not like judging or something, I'm just genuinely curious. Why did you pick gold? Ah, cheers David. Bye. Hey, boom, whoop whoop. Use me as liquidity. Whoop whoop. Well done. Well done. Even though apparently I'm stealing that from someone. Whatever. We continue. This gold is this. Well, that's one way of saying that. Already. Okay, that's valid. That's valid then. So Mac, that's your reasoning. Okay, let's check this out. Let's see where this goes now. Again, let's wait for confirmation. I'm not loving this price action this week. Except for Wednesday. Wednesday was great. Everything else sucked. Hey Tom, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Anyone that's just joined?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Yep. To anyone that's just joined, welcome to the chaos, I guess. I feel like that's pretty accurate. Welcome to the chaos. I'm having so much fun. I say super sarcastically. H1 to form a wick at the bottom. I will learn gold, but only after I've milked out here. When I have enough money to increase my risk exposure. Ooh, interesting, Mac. Okay, that's valid. It hits my break even and reverses. Your OTT, it's just not loving you this week, hey? Well, it is and is not loving you this week, hey? This is for OTT. Yeah, just for you, OTT. Hey Laura, what's up? What happened? No, Platinum Player, I'm not having a fun week. 2026 has not been my friend. At all. I've been noticing the high degree of influence from stocks index on SPX recently. Hey JP Perth, what's up? It's my thing. I should maybe be an actress, right? No, I'm joking. I wouldn't cope being an actress. It's one thing talking to a camera to you guys. But if there's someone behind the camera and there's a lot of people looking at me, I would not be able to do that at all. Also, I can't do accents. So, looks like the drama queen's just gonna have to keep trading. JP Perth, any views on that? Okay, wait, let's see. Maybe someone else. Sorry, I don't have any views on it, but we have an amazing community that might. So, everyone, JP has asked, I've been noticing a higher degree of influence from SOX, SOXX, index on SPX recently, irrespective of recent semi-earnings. Views on that, basically. Thoughts? Oh, just BT dubs for anyone that is new. There is a Discord if you guys want to join. Here we go. This is the Discord link. More than welcome to join in. Nope. It'll help if I copied it first. Discord. Discord. Hey Colin, what's up? Discord. If you guys want to join, obviously you don't have to. There is an 84% discount happening with Bulinox as well, and 40% with Top 1 futures. More than welcome to use my code to receive that discount. It's Teach Maya, all in caps. That's it, I'm done. Sorry, I'll stop being annoying. Okay, Monday, 1 win, Tuesday, 2 losses and 1 partial win. Wednesday, no trades, Thursday, a partial win, now today, a partial win. Okay, but again, OTT, you're still very much in the green. I know it's frustrating, but again, you are still very much in the green. OTT, I have a question about your partials. Okay, like I'm genuinely curious. What's up? OTT, it's not the same. I'm sorry. Colin, I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Is it live trading? It is, Dion. What's up? I do trade live, indeed. This price action is just not great for my strategy right now, so that's fun. But I do trade live. I had a little loss here. That was fun. Say little. Just completely went up. Oh well, it is what it is. Yes, sad music for that one, but it's okay. But yeah, OTT, what's your... Where do you partial? And how many contracts do you partial? There we go, I'm sorry. Like, when I say what do you partial, I mean like at 1-to-1, out of a 1-to-2 hour strategy, or... Does that make sense? Sorry. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I had to close all the doors because the people came and Perry was going to eat them. So I need to quickly open them because I can hear that the monkeys are coming back. So give me 2 seconds. Can't do anything right now. Anyways, I'll wait for OTT to respond. Be right back. I just hit my knees on the damn thingy. Anyways. Okay, wait. JP, I got cricket. Sorry. What's the source of your frustration to make things clear? Mac life. Wow, that's rough. Rip, are you good? Jeez. What the heck, man? Boom, you took buys now. Dion seems will break that swing. Kinda looks like it now, hey? We are now headed up, except this kinda looks like it's gonna go without me if I try and get in on this. It is also going... Internal, let's see where this goes to. Respected that order block nicely. Well, I only partial levels. I'm expecting price more respect and drop low. 70% of my TP. And move break even. Like for today, we took our daily EQ and midnight open. How do I put this? How do I put this? If you had taken full TP at that range that you took your partial, how much would you have gotten? Like you said, you got around $500 here. Would you have still gotten $1,000 there where you took out your partial? Rolf, yeah, no, listen, they are so annoying, and it actually scares me how, I'm saying this loosely, but like domesticated they are, because they are not scared of people at all. And that freaks me out, more than anything. You need to run away from me if I come walking towards you, but they just sit there. They don't care. I had one standing like this far away from me the other day and I was terrified. Tom, how old am I? Ooh, how old do you think I am? It'll be short-term selling again if it gets back to 93. I used 4 minis on the ES trade. Okay. Still waiting for your answer though. Indeed I would have. Okay, so how do I put this? How do I put this? And correct me if I'm wrong, if what I'm saying makes sense. Sorry, we're having a little bit of a debate. If you would have made full TP, or the full amount at that level, where you took out partials, like, doesn't math dictate that should have just taken full TP at the level you take out partials? If you're going to earn the exact same amount, what difference does it make if you're taking the amount lower or higher? Does that make sense? If you're going to earn the exact same amount. So I'm asking this genuinely out of curiosity. Because it was my argument for taking partials at 1 to 1R with my strategy. I would have made the exact same amount if I'd taken a full TP at 1 to 1R instead of 1 to 2R. So I know the partials is just like almost for safety, then you go break even, but if you would have earned the exact same amount, and if your partials are being hit but not your TP, doesn't it make more sense to just take full TP at where you would partial and you earn the same amount instead of less probability of it hitting your full TP, and then you only earn half the amount? Does that make sense? Am I making sense? It's just the math isn't mathing. Or just my understanding, maybe. Shawnee 25. Ooh, that's a compliment. Thanks. I'm 27. Elevated life? What's up? Soul silver. Hey, preach. Okay, and is it working out? Depends on the market movement. Valid. It's the break even because versus just stops me and runs. It's not really about money. More like stops me and runs again. But usually I don't get frustrated close to TP. No way. Backtested, stop looking for answers out of thin air. No, but Rip, I have. That's why I'm saying. Math states that you're gonna earn the exact same amount whether if you partial, if you take 50% off at that level. Both ways. So that's what I'm saying. Math. But this is math. If you're taking 50% off, you're going to earn the exact same amount whether you took it both there or all of it there. Tom, am I married? No. Well, David would argue that one, but no. No, I'm not. I'm not married. So that's what I'm saying. I am doing math. What? It makes sense. If I did that, I would be a 1-hour trader, and therefore my win rate would have to be higher. It's around 67 with me targeting. It's near 40%. It's a reassurance. I hear you, but okay, wait. Paid my 0.5 again on ES. We can have arguments on this one. Rip, we can have arguments on this one. We'll buy at the inverse pay value gap. Let's check the higher time frames quickly. Respecting the heck out of this. And if it's gonna come retested one more time. A lot of resistance around here. 15-minute. Jane, why are you shorting? I'm not shorting. Oh, good. That just means we're in a different market condition. The exit strategy has been working before, then you're good. The problem is in the strategy at your point. Damn! Elevated life. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button, or else Elevated Life is gonna come and get you, apparently. Okay. Potentially looking for buys here. Would this be the correct range we want to be looking for, though? Potentially. Wait, let's see this. 1, 2, 3. Hey Angie, how's my back? My back is good, thanks. Wow, my back is round. My back's not round. Are you trying to say I'm a hunchback? Just... wow. Minus from 6 to 70 with me. Okay, wait. But this is why it's a serious question, OTT. Like I said, I'm not judging anything or trying to say what you're doing is wrong. I'm just trying to understand it. Does that make sense? I'm just trying to understand it. 32 on my partials vary. Always one out depending when I see a swing trade of open. 5 mini short NQ, Elevated Life, that's what you've taken. This has 2 confluences. This only has 2 confluences. Cool, that's not great. I want more confluences for this. Damien, what's up? How's it going, Damien? How you doing? Tom, you're long on gold. Again, watch this workout just because I didn't freaking take it. Okay, I'm gonna quickly check out gold out of curiosity. Because MNQ's price action has been driving me mental. Damn, okay. I mean, to be fair, gold's not looking amazing either right now. Who took a short on gold? Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. Cool. Sorry, I just wanted to go check out what was happening because everyone keeps mentioning gold, so I was super curious. Moving on. Damien can't complain. It's just about having a consistent model because honestly, 1 hour can work 100%. But the way I trade, I could get like 3 winning trades the whole weekend in a month, maybe like 14 to 16. But the way. Okay, no, that's fair, that's fair. Done for the day, I suppose. Don't want to give it back. Hey, Damien, that's amazing. Well done. Added 7 to the short on NQ. So what was your sign that it's going to short? Someone mentioned something the other day that I kind of want to test, but I'm gonna have to do some thorough backtesting on it. Because it sounds... How do I put this? You know when something sounds too stupidly simple? That you're like, okay. Again, too stupidly simple. I'm gonna have to go and backtest it. I don't even want to say what it is because I could be lying to everyone, but I'm gonna have to go backtest that. Sitting short, price will target below start. No, if I was trading evals, it would basically take me 2 months to actually. Way too long to be doing evals. 2 weeks max, maybe 3. OTT, you take 2 to 3 weeks max. All the way up from open. Oh damn, elevated life, that's good. What am I operating? Heavy machinery. No, I'm joking. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Bernabas? What's up? Far-side advantage strategy. Simple but effective. 500 reps. Yes, sir. Yes, boss. You're like a drill sergeant. It's proper risk, like risking 500 trades, 6 trades max. There we go. I mean, that's not bad, right? That's really not bad. Guys, can the price action just go back to normal? This is driving me crazy. Can we go back to nice Wednesday price action, please? Pretty please, that would be awesome. This bums me out. This bums me out that I had such a nice setup. I was so ready for this trade. I had it placed and everything, and it essentially gave me the middle finger. Absolutely disgusting, but it's fine. We continue. It's Friday, people. It's Friday. We've got this. It's going to be a good Friday. I'm gonna make it a good Friday. We're gonna make it amazing. Okay. Yes.
Nice.
We're gonna make this Friday amazing. Irrelevant of what happens. Hey, Don Nugs, what's up? I trade all day, only stop when I take 2 losses straight. I have a fixed 1 to 3. Okay, wait. Tom, what strategy do you use? Out of curiosity, obviously you don't have to tell me if you don't want to. Damien, I did. It was a loss. Yeah. Like I said, I had this amazing setup, didn't tag me in, I followed it down, and Bob's your uncle. It got me. Then I was looking at this, and nothing else would have worked so far, except if I'd used this full range. No one would have worked, but that's it. Yeah, so that's fun. Michelle, you say that, but yesterday's New York session, specifically the AM, was... How do I think this is the only way to explain what yesterday's New York price action was like. Like, absolutely shocking. It was not okay. Mia, you've been telling me to sell. Okay, what were your indications to sell? I think that's the better question. You can't just say sell. That's like telling me to trust you blindly without telling me why. Does that make sense? Days updates, change preference, signed up for 5 evals, pass them on Wednesday, up on 500. I'm trying to keep these fun. Damn, Justin! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Which prop firm do you use, Justin? Out of curiosity, I'm just genuinely curious. Market structure, supply and demand, liquidity, order flow. Okay, Tom, and do you just market in? Do you do limit orders? Do you do stop orders? What's your thing? The risk a lot as manage risk unfunded. Do that for a profitable system. Like me. Yeah, see, Rip, I'm learning. Believe it or not. Okay, wait, I'll finish that question later. It's fine. Limit, not so much stop. Okay, Tom, so, and you get your indication for where to get a limit in, obviously, depending on order blocks or fair value gaps, correct? Lucid trading, relax rules, withdraw down after you take a payout. Oh, nice. Okay, Justin, that's not bad. Yeah, unfortunately for South Africans, we are not allowed lucid, which kind of sucks. But I guess it is what it is. You know, we go with what we can. We go with what we can. Mac, it kind of sounds like it, but I mean, with trading in general, isn't everything theoretically a bit of a personal preference, if you think about it? Like, it's your personal preference to what you believe works better. It's your personal preference to what makes more understanding to you. It's your personal preference with quite a bit of things. Cool. Wow. From London Open to now, we've moved exactly 50 points. Well, 50.25 if we're going to be specific. That's fun. That's lots of fun. 50 points. That's amazing. Hey! Mahib, I feel like I butchered that. I am using top 1 futures. What's up? What do you call order block? Is it supply and demand zone or supply or demand range for value gap is imbalance? Yes. Basically. Tom, yeah, makes sense. Gold buy is in danger. Great, yeah, that's why I asked who was in a gold short. Weren't you in a short or weren't you in a long? Don't want to be on email for so long. Right now it's first, then translate. You're waiting for your long entry. I mean, this would have been my entry for a long right here, but we continue. Wait, hello, cells. Okay, then. Let's do this. Okay, so Preet, you're short on the silver. Nice! Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's different when something is phrased as a standard or fact. When it's instead, the effect on misleading is what is more dangerous. Now measure last 10 London sessions, same time, and make an average. Same time, same day, or just every London session? Like every Friday, or specifically just like for the past 10 days? Gold is ranging and buying the bottom and selling the top. Oh, interesting. Okay, nice, Tom. That's quite cool. I've not been great at those, so to be fair, this is also low-key ranging. Amazing. You love ranges. Am I like the only person that does not like ranges? 820. There we go. Wow, I don't know a lot of people that actually like ranges. Just saying. Good question. And okay. Back. And you can spend or risk however much you're comfortable with on props, even personal account for risk management always comes first. This ain't a get rich quick thing. I know. Would be nice if it wasn't. I'm joking. That sounds bad. Very hard. Yeah, thank you, Tom. Appreciate it. Yeah. My strategy doesn't work for rangers, clearly. It's driving me crazy, clearly. But it's part of it. We continue, we continue, we continue, we continue. Hopefully, because so I've never traded this time of year. I have asked this question a few times. Maybe some of the newer people might have more answers for me. So I only started trading April, just for anyone that maybe is new and didn't know that. So I haven't even been trading a year yet, but a few questions. Number one, is this pretty standard for Jan price action, or is this more to do with, I'm keeping this PG, and is this more to do with the politics that's going on recently? Okay. I think that's basically it. Is this pretty standard? No, wait, the second question would be, does it tend to break out of this price action or start moving a little bit more price action-y? Sorry, that's a very terrible way of stating that, but you know, does it start to look more like a market and not just a sideways, you know, EKG monitor around Feb? I've heard some people say around Feb is where the markets actually start to move again or wake up again. Sun, you say we're selling now? And translate is long now. Good grief, we're not gonna lie, last year Jan was just as bad in terms of trades. Ah, interesting, there we go. Okay. Take profit to 850. Politics, you mean the basic? Oh, hello, David's back. What's up, David? Will be the same as yesterday. Chris? No, bye. You think even New York session? Because that makes me sad. Yo, bro, trader, how you doing? There's no volume at this time in NQ. Mostly people trade currency based gold at this time and more NQ in New York session. Oh, no, listen, DJ, no. I mean, I guess, but no. Yesterday's New York session was... Sorry, I know I've done this like 5 times, but it's valid. Yesterday's New York session was just dead. It was... AM specifically, I saw that I woke up during the PM session, but still, AM session was not okay. I do, your bro trader, of course I do. Cheers, Michelle, enjoy. That's 400 restaurant break even. Can I get a whoop whoop preach? You can. Whoop whoop. Well done. Aw, sorry. There we go. Well done, Preet. Awesome job. Well, Mac, it's because it's valid. When you're working with numbers, things change very quickly. When you increase, decrease them. This could be a 3 this week, see if I took all the volume. Okay, so do you think it's going to be back to normal next week then, DJ? Is that what you're kind of saying? I'm a price action trader. I see everything on the charts and there's some breaking news and then you're screwed. Love that. Go pro trader, what's up? I mean, this would slowly be headed back down to stop loss for that one. Again though, like I said, that one was not an A+ setup. This is actually looking more like an A+ setup for my strategy. Interesting. However, again, Nope. Maybe? Yep. Cool. Again, hindsight is very easy, right? Corporate trader, amazing. Wait. Like, proper trading line? Just what the math is telling you. Based on your edge, changing things changes your edge. Okay, well. Just well. The math telling you. Okay, so we're talking about edge and the math. Oh, makes sense, David. Okay, but you know what? To anyone that's new, by the way, just... I know it's probably not even morning anymore, but...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I just think it's adorable, so it's fine. Okay, like I said, this price action's low-key making me sad. So I'm gonna call it here for London session. I will be back New York session. Please, let's hope that we actually have some movement and that the price actions actually
Nice.
during sorry, I'm having too much fun with the memes. Oh, there we go. Well, let's hope the price action is good during New York session. Let's get this going, guys. Let's get this going. I'm hoping New York is amazing, but I'm gonna call it. You guys were amazing. See you New York session. Let's do this. Rip, we're not done chatting. Okay. I love you guys madly. See you New York. Bye.